Today we're going to talk about that weird tape you see all over athletes' bodies, K for Kinesiotape. Kinesiotape is a stretchy and sticky tape that can be applied to all areas of the body that helps with pain reduction, reducing inflammation, as well as increasing performance. So here on the left we have the skin, fascia, the area underneath the fascia and skin, as well as the muscle. You can see there are nerve receptors, blood vessels, as well as lymph vessels. When you apply the kinesiotape, if we look at the picture on the right, it has a lifting effect on the skin. So by lifting the skin and the fascia, it takes pressure off of these pain receptors. So there's not as much pressure that's going to trigger a pain response. It's going to help with dilating the lymph vessels and dilating the blood vessels so that if there's inflammation in the area, that inflammation can drain out of the area, as well as bring more blood flow to the area to help with the body's natural healing. Here are some common things that we will use Kinesiotape for. The picture on the left shows a bruise. If we apply Kinesiotape in a spiderweb-like pattern, after it's applied and on for a couple days, when we take it off, you'll see this picture on the right has no more bruising where the Kinesiotape was applied. Because of the lifting effect on the skin and allowing more lymph drainage, the bruise will heal a lot quicker as opposed to if you didn't have Kinesiotape on it. If we look at the next picture, the scar tissue mobilization, these orange sticks are the regular skin. The red sticks in the second picture are scar tissue. If we apply Kinesiotape along the scar tissue, it's actually going to help align the scar tissue a lot more even than if it weren't applied. So a scar won't be as adhesive and won't cause as many problems or pain because the tissue is lining up better after we apply the Kinesiotape. The next picture shows common applications for different types of pain: neck pain, low back pain, shoulder pain, and foot pain. It can go on all different kinds of joints to help with the mobility of the joint, stabilization of the joint, as well as proper muscle function around the joint. Lastly, the picture on the far right is common applications for posture. We can tape in certain ways that help promote a more natural and proper posture in the upper back as well as in the low back.